Hey guys, so today I am bringing you this like green smoky eye using the Essence Dancing Green eyeshadow palette. But yeah, it's just a full face of drugstore makeup products. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using my Profusion Pigment Base as always. Just to prime my eyelids. And then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Brulee eyeshadow and just set my inner corner and brow bone area with that, just to help with blending out the shades. So I'm going to be using the Essence Dancing Green eyeshadow palette. I love that name, it is so cute. And I have this one, and I already did a look with the Taupe It Up palette. I will link it in the IO if you want to check that out. And I will be doing a wintry blue makeup look at some point with the Ice Ice Baby one. But today I'm using the green palette. And I love these eyeshadow palettes. They are so amazing, and they're only $4 for all of these shades and a mirror. And it has eyeshadows on the back, and they're super easy to blend out. They're just perfect. So yeah, I just love them. So I'm gonna start off by using my Morphe M330 brush. It's like a tapered crease brush. And I'm going to take this brown shade right here and just blend that in. Just blend that in my crease. I'm going to take the shade, oh, and that color, I forgot. This one is Watch That Scene, and I'm going to go into Night is Young right here, and which is that dark green color, and I'm just gonna pack that on that outer corner with the e.l.f. blending eye brush. It's like a domed brush. Now that I have the crease, I'm gonna use this shade down here. This is only 17, and it's a beautiful like light green taupe shade. I can't even explain it. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna take that on the brush and use my NYX Bear With Me setting spray and spray the brush. to really make that shade intense. I'm gonna apply that shade all over my lid. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. concealer brush and the shade Rock Music, which is this shimmery dark green color. It's so pretty. And I'm going to take that and spray the brush once again. And apply that on the outer lid area. And I'm gonna take those two shades once again with my finger and use it and apply that once again. It really intensifies the shadow. But now I'm gonna move on to my face makeup, and I'm gonna first spray my face with my Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. So then for primer, I'm using my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I use my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. Using my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge to blend that in. I'm going to use my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. Hopefully this turns out looking good. I haven't used this concealer in forever, and I'm constantly using the same stuff over and over again, so I felt like using something different finally. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to set my face. For bronzer, I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match powder in N5 True Beige. It's the neutral one. And I'm just going to use that as a bronzer. And then for blush, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match blush in the shade C1 Baby Blossom. I used to use this all the time, and I haven't used it in a while, so I thought it would be a good product to use. For a change. As a highlight, I'm going to use the e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm using this shade right here to highlight my face. It just gives it such a pretty natural glow from within kind of highlight. Not too over the top and highlighty, but it still adds some nice shimmer. So it's not completely matte. Super pretty. I've been in love with this highlight. The one that a lot of people use is the Essence, that other Essence highlight. I totally forgot the name, but it just is too dark for my skin. But this is like the exact same thing, and it's perfect for fair skin. That's amazing. Then I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Bite Size Brow Palette in Neutral Brown. To highlight the inner corner, I'm going to use my Milani Stellar Lights Highlighter Palette in Rose Glow. And I'm going to use Pearl, this shade right here. And apply that in my inner corner to highlight. And I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams No Budge eyeshadow stick in the shade Sweet Cream on my waterline. Now I am just gonna curl my lashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler. And then I'm gonna apply my ColourPop Act Natural Defining Mascara on my lashes. And then I think I'm gonna do lashes, so I'm gonna use my Kiss Lash Glue liner in black and just create a thin line on my upper lash line and pop on my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. So now I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Perfect Precision lip liner in nude and I'm just gonna use that on my lips. And I'm gonna line and fill them in. And then I'm gonna use my Maybelline cream lipstick in Nude Lust. And just apply that on top. I want this to be matte, so I'm actually gonna use some of my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores translucent powder, but you can use any translucent powder. This is just the only like actual translucent powder that I have, but you can get plenty translucent powders at the drugstore. So, but I'm just gonna take that with my Real Techniques setting brush and just set down this lip. Easy way to make it transfer proof and matte. So this is the completed drugstore makeup tutorial. It's very green, but I don't feel like it's too much. Like, I feel like it's a wearable green smoky eye. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.